water from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking through the rain, thumbing for right on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph, some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. Yes, she's been here, but her memory wasn't clear. Was it just a day? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, where you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As I drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain is pouring down, overhead, another town, and I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, cold Kentucky rain. Thank you very much. Thank you.